I would like to express my greetings for New Year. Inside Tibet also, may take this opportunity, New Year. So I want to express Happy New Year. Now, New Year begin, so you should think. Now, past is past. From next day, a new year, I should be it's the same physical, same sort of name, but way of sort of life, more compassionate way, more meaningful way, helping other, serving other, if not, at least not harming other. So that's meaningful life.